Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can use the final draft 13 and what you can actually expect from it. This kind of the work for on what you can actually find here. So in the moment when you're gonna be and have the most important thing, the screenplay, this is where you are going to write. And how it actually works is that when you're gonna start writing, what you can do is easily take it. A lot of stuff is similar in a way as the Word, where you can here see the cut, copy, paste. You can insert also the script. The script node, you can insert the image here. You can change the style if you want to, but the style is you're gonna find also on the top left, where you're gonna have the font here, where you can have it bold, strike through, underline. So that's what you're gonna find here. You can even change the element to let's say outline 1. So you can change even the element to something that you actually need. So this is also very important. And you can ignore, learn, ignore all, or you can change it to something here. And let's say I want to have new act. So this is something that you can actually do when you're gonna right click on the screenplay, what you're gonna find there, okay? So on the home, you're gonna have also the proofing for for example, the spelling. And this is something that you can do. Also the thesaurus, that's another thing where you can have also option to paste it, cut, copy, image, script note. So this is something that we've already done with the right click. And then you can have element settings here. So this is, for example, like the action, the character, the dialogue. So these are the elements that we actually have. And this is something that, again, that we right click, that you can apply for a template, or you can create a new one. And alignment, so this is where you can have elements that you can create for yourself. I hope it makes sense when we with the right click and we went here and we went to change element to something, okay? Then also we're gonna have the show the title page, and this is the title page that you can change. Now then you can have the script view. So for the script view, you can actually change it between the normal view, page view, or even the speed view, and that's how it looks like. Then you're gonna have a scene view, where you can have the scene titles, show summary, or show action. And then you can have the index cards like scripts, then also the summary here. Or you're gonna have cards access across. So that's how it works. Now, when we're gonna go further, you're gonna have also the beat board. So here, this is something that I have the beat title right here. And you can have also the beat board for you. So that's something that you can do. Also hide outline editor. So here on top, you're going to find the outline based on the things you're going to write the script here. So that's something that how it works. Also, you can have show navigator. So this is kind of the page, script, color, summary. And if you want to, you can cast list panel here. Also tags panel, and you can export it. And here you're gonna have this kind of the navigator of everything. And then of course you're gonna have vertically, horizontally. You can swap it. So that's for the splitting. Now for the file, of course, here you're gonna have save as, open, and save as a template. Then you also the edit, where you can find, paste. This is pretty straightforward what you can actually find here. Also emojis and symbols. You can view things here. So let's say I'm going to have the normal here, and as you can see, look, I have this kind of view of both. So I can come to home, and I'm going to have unsplit. See, and I have only right now this. And if you want to, you can view the things that you actually want to have, if it's a beat board or index cards. Then of course you can have also show structure lines. You can have also the night mode if you like to work during the evening and write, or like early morning. Format, so again, like the font change, text color change, that you can have it. Highlighter, highlighting characters, alignment, where you can insert also like the script node, bookmark, label, image. So I can click here and add image from my computer right here. Okay, as you can see. So that's something you can do. Documents, where you can have a title page, also header and footer, and changing the page layouts. And of course the tools are like speech control, collaborators that you can actually like add here, and the sprint timer and writing stats. So that's something that you can actually find here. And then the production, so like scene number 1, and then you're gonna have like edit scene number, omit scene. So this is where you're gonna have production for the scenes, and then also help. So this is pretty straightforward. What you're gonna find, like for example the guides here on how to use it and what you can actually like expect from the product. So hope this video provided a little bit of value, guys, and have a great day and goodbye.